Sentinel, which is a cloud scale SIEM product, security and information event management solution. Okay, so if you have the need to collect and correlate, analyze data across users, devices, applications, and infrastructure at cloud scale, then this is definitely worth considering. You could have compliance or regulatory requirements for this, or just need to reduce incident resolution times. Then again, Sentinel is definitely worth looking at. You may already have a SIEM solution on-prem and just simply looking to reduce that infrastructure on-prem and move this type of service to the cloud, or reduce the cost of existing solutions you may be already running, like Splunk. Okay, and again, Sentinel is something that we can help you with right at the start of the journey, with webinars to get a real a deep understanding of what that is. There's the hands-on workshops. Again, if your technical team want to have a proper hands-on technical deep dive, then those workshops are available to you. But Microsoft are currently funding proof of concepts for Sentinel. And again, depending on the scope of scale of your deployment, we can secure what we call ESIF funding, or end customer investment funding, from Microsoft to fully deploy Sentinel across your entire organization. Okay, it's also worth highlighting actually that there's absolutely no data ingestion costs associated with logs from Microsoft infrastructures like O365, Defender, Azure Information Protection, etc. So again, could be a really cost-effective way to get a handle on incidents that are coming through, or security incidents that's coming through from those endpoints. Okay. So those were really for organizations that are looking to move to Azure, deploy new Azure technologies like Windows Virtual Desktop or AVS. But now we'll move on to actually if you're already in Azure, okay, but maybe you're concerned that you don't necessarily have the right governance in place to make sure you're secure, optimized, and spending only what you should be, then Cloud Direct has a free of charge health check available to you. Okay, so things like the well-architected framework, it's only really been around for a short while, a year or so, which means that if you built your Azure infrastructure and environment a few years ago and have really moved a lot up there over that time, it may not be built on the latest best practice across things like cost optimization, operational excellence, performance efficiency, reliability, and security. So what this health check will do for you is to review your existing infrastructure, your security posture, and look for any ways to reduce cost, and then it will highlight those areas for improvement so that you have the confidence then to continue to modernize your IT services and take advantage of everything that Azure has to offer. So again, if you've got if you're worried that you may be spending more than you need to, then again, this could be something that will quickly highlight to you ways to reduce cost, improve security, and that infrastructure as well. Okay. So securing your business is constantly in the top 1, 2, 3 priorities for CIOs. It always has been, it always will be. And security has never been more important as more organizations move to the cloud, users access IT services working from home, on personal devices, and of course that means sensitive corporate data flying around the internet. Microsoft is addressing this with over $1 billion of investment in security and security solutions year in, year out. Excuse me, coughing. Which brings us on to the final solution area of this particular presentation.